Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about integration by substitution, which is one of the methods of integration, and I'll be finding the integration of this integral over here. So let's begin. Okay, so to integrate this integral over here, we have to first simplify the equation and get rid of all the extras that's bothering us. For now, the only thing that's bothering us is this root x over here. So we assign root x to a variable and then differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So if we differentiate it, we get dt over dx equals the derivative of root x is 1 over 2 root x. And on further simplification of this, we get dx equals dt times 2 root x. Now what we do is we plug in the value of dx in this equation so that the root x cancels out. Now we plug in the value of dx in this equation, we get integral tan fourth. See that I've assigned the value of root x to t, so this would be t secant squared t again, and then dx equals dt times 2 root x over root x. Now the root x and root x would get cancelled out, so we are left with 2 because it's a constant, integral tan fourth t times secant squared t dt. Now what we are going to do is we are going to make use of another substitution, which is going to help us simplify this equation even further. So we are going to equate tan t tangent t equals a variable, let us say v. We differentiate it on both sides with respect to t, so we get dv over dt equals the derivative of tangent is secant squared t, and then dt from this equation equals dv over secant squared t. So we plug in the value of dt here again, we get 2 integral. Now tan t's value I've assigned to v, so that will give us v to the power 4th times secant squared t times dt equals dv over secant squared t. Secant squared t, the secant squared t and the secant squared t cancels out, and we are left with 2 integral v 4th times dv. The integral of this would be 2 times v to the power 5 over 5 plus a constant c. We cannot leave the answer here because v is a variable we have assigned. The value of v is tan t, so 2 times tan 5th t over 5 plus c, and then the value of t was root x, so that would be 2 over 5 times tan 5th root x plus a constant c. Now this is the final answer of this integral over here for integrated by Amkastabdev.